Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I'm pretty excited because I was just sent this package. It's a 2-gram package of pure saffron. Now this is excellent quality saffron that you're going to use if you're going to make things like rice, paella, put it in drinks and whatnot. But the smell, even when you open up this bag, you know good quality whenever is based off of 3 things. One is the color, which this has. It's supposed to be a deep red color, and it has these little yellow tips on there is one of the things that you're looking for when you're looking for good quality of that. It also has an excellent smell, almost like a floral honey smell to it, and then of course the taste. And so this little bit here is actually a really good quality and amazing. It's going to taste amazing in some drinks and in some paella and things like that as you make it. But excellent quality, hand-picked from Afghanistan, actually flown over 7,000 miles to actually get to your kitchen. And these things are amazing because it's actually the quality of process that it has to take to get good quality saffron. They actually have to go out, and each flower only opens for just a short amount of time, and they can only get about 3 strands from each individual flower. So the fact that you have this in a nice container that you can add, excellent quality, excellent smell, looking forward to trying it, and thank you guys again for sending it.